guys, today I'm going to show you how to code the video in motion, which is very popular among BMW owners. It allows you to watch a video while the car is in motion, hence video in motion. So this is very dangerous. Obviously, if you're driving and watching the screen, you should only be doing this. Well, you probably shouldn't be doing this, but if you want to do this, you're going to find a way to do it. Now, if a passenger is with you and a passenger wants to watch TV on a long drive and you're not watching the screen, keeping your eyes on the road, you know, hey, a lot of people do it. I cannot recommend this. Do this at your own risk. Other disclaimers, blah, blah, blah. Here is how you do it with BIMMERCODE. If you have not seen my first video on this, which is like a little beginner intro on how to use it, please see it here. There's a little link up above for you to click on to become familiar with it. But once you understand it, it's really simple. Here is the process to do it. First, you're going to open the app and you're going to connect. You're going to go to the head unit. You're going to scroll down to video in motion. You're going to click on that. You're going to set it to active. Now, once you select this, you go back to the main head unit screen and the code button will now be blue for you to click on. Go ahead and click code and read the warnings. Make sure you remember to put on airplane mode on your phone. Make sure that the battery is fully charged on the car, that it's not going to become disconnected, and start coding. Now, after it codes, it will take a few seconds and it will restart your head unit. It will come back and tell you that it was successful, and it will tell you that there's one more step that you have to take. So you have to click continue, and it will bring you to, it will prompt you to look at your head unit. So it will have restarted your head unit, and if it is not on the menu, you can go down and press the menu button. Then your car will come to the menu. Now it shows you a picture here of exactly what to do. You press with your thumb or whatever on the bottom forward, and you hold it up just for a few seconds, and then it will say activating. Then you can let go and let it continue the process. Once that's done, that's all there is to it. Your video in motion is now activated and you can connect. All right, take a flash drive. It has some movies on it. Plug it into our USB slot down here. Okay, USB plugged into our slot down here. And to our menu. Media. Thumb drive. And our first movie starts playing. So now as you are driving, it will continue to play with that setting that we just did. Also, if your car is equipped with a CD/DVD slot, you should be able to play a DVD on there as well. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. I will put below in the description a link for that Veepeak OBD2 Bluetooth reader that I used to program the car, so feel free to purchase one of those through that link. And I'll try to add some more content for other things that you can program using the BIMMERCODE app, so please subscribe and you will be notified when those come out.